Hello students, hakani ka video minta nya page phang ki vowels bat ka tu ka ni ki kintin ki balashna dah ka pendan kam ya ki vowels bat kum juru ki consonants. Ngangai baro pia tip ya ki vowels bat ki consonants. Ki alphabets ki bamut ki words mala ka Hindi ki kinthop ki vowels bat ki consonants. Haka English, hadian mapila nang ki alphabet pipuli A for apple, B for boy but kumta terter. Now let us learn the sounds of vowels with the help of few words. My dear students, can you tell me the first vowel in Hindi? It is A. So here, A se anaar. A se anaar. Anaar mut pomegranate lani usok pomegranate. A se anaar. Say children, A se anaar. Next is A. A se aam. A se aam. Aam means mango. A se aam. Aam kamut usok ping haka khasi. Next vowel is E. E se imli. E se imli. E se imli. Imli is a tamarind. Lani usok kentoy. Next vowel is E. E se eek. E se eek. E se eek. Eek is a sugar cane. Bamut u pai. Very good. You are doing well, my students. Now can you tell me what is the next alphabet? What is the next vowel? Good. It is U. Keep practicing, students, so that you will learn the words. Now let us have a look at few more words and their sounds formed by vowels. The next alphabet is U. U se upavan. U se upavan. Upavan means a garden. U se upavan. Next here we have U. U se un. U se un. U se un. Un means wool. Lani usai wool. Hang ni piyo I yakisaw ayom. Yakisaw ayom haka English on season but haka Hindi ritu. So ri se ritu. Ri se ritu. Ritu means season. Next alphabet is A. A se eri. A se eri. Eri means foothills. A se eri. Kabamut ki khongdong kijan. Next vowel is I. I se ainak. I se ainak. Ainak means spectacles. Spectacles lani kayat khamat. I se ainak. Students, can you tell me the next vowel? What is the next vowel? Yes, it is O. O se okhali. O se okhali. Okhali means mortar. Ya utlong but usinrei she said ki ong okhali. O se okhali. Next vowel is ow. Ow se aurat. Ow se aurat. Aurat means a woman. Lani kabriyo. Ow se aurat. Here we have the vowel ang. Ang se angur. Ang se angur. Angur means grapes. Ke kidai kiso a grape. Ang se angur. Last vowel is aha. Aha, a weak example day atha. Atha mud so. Kung mangijukan hakasi, yung te. Te means so lani atha. Hamnyar ban pendon kam ya uni udak. Kum kan nuksa ya udak ek hakatin khasi. Imda semat ban pendon kam. Te ya uni udak aha haka hindi ru nginda kam pendon kam. My dear students, I hope you understood and keep learning and keep practicing. We shall meet again in the next video.